Hello, this is Anna Cook doing my Mod 17 for AEP 858 on what my data protocol would be as an administrator. So making my diagram, I really wanted it to be straightforward in the sense of what is a natural thought process and expanding on those concepts. So starting with the biggest thing that my administrators taught me was, does it answer the question at hand? What is the data analysis hoping to answer or problem to solve? So what exactly are we looking at and what is our intent going into this? As you dive into the data analysis, what trends are you noticing? Different kinds of assessment, different layers, demographics, socioeconomic status, performance results, various parameters that might affect the outcome. Are there negative conclusions? Are favorable statistics showing downward trends? Is this going in a place that affects the school, affects the community, students? What is it negative toward? And then in return, what are the positive conclusions? Sometimes there can be an inverse relationship between the negative and the positive conclusions and what they affect. And so diving into that and really being clear with the difference of those. What information is missing? Any piece of information that is not being considered in the data that is being analyzed, what would these factors contribute or alter? How would they alter the results or the outcome that we found? And what is the overall conclusion? Are we answering the initial question? Were other questions created during this analysis process? So something that really resonated was analysis is so important to really take your time and do thoroughly so that then you can create a plan of action and create a plan of action for your school, for your building, teachers, students. I mean, you have to have layers to your plan. And the plan will come so naturally if you've really analyzed the data correctly. So this would be my plan as an administrator. Thank you.